Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to sign in into CapCut through TikTok. To get started, launch CapCut. Once you launch the app, you will see this type of interface on your screen. Here, click on Sign in with TikTok option. If you are already logged in into TikTok, you will automatically get access. You will just have to add your birth date. After adding your birth date, press on confirm button and here you have successfully signed in into CapCut through TikTok. That's easily how you can sign in into CapCut through TikTok. If you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.